All right, we're on to number 2, and reading the directions for number 2, they want us to compare math action word the two expressions using less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. And for each, they want us to explain how you can determine the answer without calculating. So we're not finding any of the answers. We're going to do a little bit of work, but we should be able to quickly see which one would give us a bigger value. So let's look at A. We got 100 times 5. We know that in our head that's 500. Now we've got 25 times the product of 4 and 6. So looking at my three numbers, does anyone see what two numbers would make 100? If you notice that 25 times 4, or think of money, this is 25 cents, and you have 4 of them, that will give you $1, and $1 means 100. 25 times 4 would give you 100, and then you would multiply it by 6, and that would give you 600. So without even calculating, we did a little bit of math, and then we realized that this value is going to be bigger than 100 times 5. So we're going to put a little greater than symbol here. All right, so now we're looking at B. We've got 23 times 12. Well, another way of writing that is using unit form. Well, how many 12s do I have? Well, I should have 23 12s. So looking over here, on the right hand side, we've got 25 12s minus 3 12s. Well, how many 12s do we have after we do the difference? 25 minus 3, ooh, that will give you 22. And then that means you have 22 12s left over. And comparing the two, which one would give you a bigger value? Well, 23 12s is, or 23 times 12. Because this actually equals 22 times 12. And then looking at C, we've got 24 times 16. And over on the other side, we have 11 24s doubled. So we're doing it twice. So actually, I'm going to make a little tape diagram for you guys. So if I have 11 24s, that's saying 11 times 24. Oops, and the lights went out. Sorry about that. Nice little pause. Probably a little chuckle. So I have 11 times 24. Well, that means 11 24s. But I'm doubling that. Doubled. That means I'm doing it again one more time. I'm timesing it by 2. I'm making another copy. So if I made another tape diagram to have 11 24s. Well, 11 24s and 11 24s. Total, how many 24s do I have? I should have 22 24s, right? And what is 22 24s as a multiplication sentence? 22 times 24. So looking at this problem, compare it with this problem, which one will give you the bigger value? I've got 24 times 16, or we can also write it as 16 times 24. It'll give us the same answer. And 22 times 24, so the one on the right would give you a bigger value. All right, so that's number 2.